Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2018 Dodge Durango 3.6. Customer request to have a tune-up done. This is a little different 3.6 than the ones of the predecessors. They got more bullcrap and more engineering Y the F's. Alright, air filter housing comes off, come out of the way. And this is stuff that I just did to make it easier for me. I'm kind of short, so I took this up and out of the way because I'll be standing on the sway bar, so I can get back to the bolts back in the back and such. But this, I have no idea what they intended this to be for, but it's some sort of air heater or something like that, because it's hooked up to a heater hose, and inside here looks like the inside of an EGR tube. So this has to come out, unfortunately. Bolt here, one back behind here, one here, and this one right here. This will come back out of the way a little bit, but you can't pull it out all the way unless you take this hose off, which then again will make a mess. What I was able to do is get the intake loose, push it backwards, and then pull this out the rest of the way so the intake can come out. Disconnect your map sensor, disconnect your throttle body connector, take this little loose. It's just a holding on bracket. This right here is the power supply for this. Of course, I disconnected it, moved it out of the way. Now climb in on here, sit here on this little bracket here. I'm not going to go back all the way because I got this in play. Take this off, push this little snap ring down here, and that will pull out of the way. Move this over the way, move this over the way. Little push pin here. This whole harness will come out of the way. Little push pin here, push that up, move it out of the way. There's a bracket underneath here that'll hold this on here, so you want to take that bracket loose. Then this whole harness will come out of the way. Got 110 here I haven't put back in yet. 110 right here. This is the side bracket, so this will come off, this will come off. Just kind of just push it out of the way just a little bit. Get to it real easy. This right here, disconnect it, goes to the back of the intake. 8mm, 8, another 8 right here, another 8 right here, and 1 8 right here that you can't see. Long 8mm, 1/4 inch. You'll be able to get to that with no problem. This one here, you're not gonna be able to take out. You're not gonna be able to get it far enough out of the way for here. Use that 8 ratcheting wrench. Perfect. Gets in there and takes care of it. Move the intake back. Slide this out of the way, and you take the intake and move it out of the way and get to the 3 spark plugs over here. I'm going to be doing the plugs over here on this side here in just a minute. Pretty simple. Standard 5/8 plugs. No issue with that. I don't even disconnect the harnesses because they're far enough out of the way. Leaves less of a problem of damaging the connectors. And that is about it. Let's see. Just move these little harnesses and stuff like that out of the way. Didn't even disconnect this, just move it out of the way. Give you plenty of room. Oh, this little bracket right here has to come loose in order to get this last coil pack out of the way. But that's basically it. Leave any reviews or comments. Thanks much.